Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to install a new electrical outlet. It's a 15 amp circuit. I've got new construction here in my basement. These are nice, they're tamper resistant, so they have these little plastic things inside so kids can't stick metal things in there and get shocked. Here's my wiring, here's the plug. I like to tighten these up real quick. These on the back have a stab feature, so you just stab the wire right in there, and then there's a spring clip that holds it in place. A lot of electricians don't like those. They think that they might fail over time and a loose wire could cause a fire, but it's a 15 amp circuit. I'm not too worried about it, and I think that it wouldn't be a feature if they didn't work. So I'm going to go ahead and use those. I like those. Clip my wire in here and coming out of the wall. You want to leave yourself enough wire to play with and use, but not too much that is going to fill your box full of gunk. So you strip that Romex sheathing off and expose the wires. So I've got all my wires exposed. I know that this is my hot coming in, and right now the breaker's off. Before you do anything, make sure your breaker's off. This is in the middle of a bedroom, in the middle of a circuit. So I strip these back just a little bit. Using 14-2 wire. You always remember your grounds are your copper wires, your neutrals are your white wire, and your black are your positive wire. Black always goes on the gold screws. This is silver for white. Gold is where your black wires go. And you just stab them right in there. Doesn't matter if it's top or bottom. I usually like to make my incoming hot circuit on the top. No reason, just kind of a system that I do, so it makes me remember where I'm at. All four of those are in, stabbed in there, not going anywhere. Then I like to twist these two grounds together. Twist those together. Clip off one of them, leave one of the pigtails long. Then you have these fancy little wire nuts that have a hole in the tip. That lets the one wire come out. And you keep the other two safe and wire nutted together so they won't come apart. Slim nose, like a little, see that little U shape, a little horseshoe there? That clips onto your ground. I usually pinch it out and then tighten it up. kind of pull your black and your white wires and your ground so none of those wires will touch as they're in the box. Push them back into the wall, into the game box. Line up your screws. They're all good. Put your cover on. You'll see here, I'm in the middle of a room. I've got all these different ones done. This is a little tester. I can plug it in. If 2 of those orange lights light up, then it's done properly. Gotta go flip the breaker. Basement, back room. Both of those amber lights are lit up well, which means it's done correctly. So there you have it. Quick and easy, installing an outlet in 6 minutes.